Hey, it's me again, your girl Vanzeig, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. This is Vanzeig's Hair, Nails, and More, where I do unboxings, nail reviews, wig reviews, nail tutorials, kid hair tutorial. I do a plethora of things, clothing hauls, everything on the sun, because that's who I am. But today we're going to be reviewing this wig I seen on Mary Kay Bella first. Yay! I'm not even sure who the company is, but let's open it up and see. I'll leave the links to everything below. Actually, hold on, let me open up my tablet. I love the boxing, it's simple and cute. And I love it. It says be beautiful, be different. It doesn't have the company's name on it. It just says natural light, cute and easy from our ambassador Mary Kay Bella since 2019. Aww. So I guess she has been their ambassador for a really long time. So let me get my tablet out so I can really give y'all the specs of this one. 1 second. I'm always on Amazon, so it's in my cart somewhere. So I got it pulled up now. This wig is on Amazon for under $20 right now. I don't see it on sale or anything, but you can save 10% with a brand promotion and save 5% on selected 2 items. So if you buy 2, you get 5% off, and if it's a brand promotion, you get 10% off. I'm not really sure what that means, but I want to try this wig. But it's ToyoTress Peekaboo Bob Wigs with bangs, 10-inch Yaki straight daily hair costume wig for black women, soft short synthetic hair replacement wig, heat resistant, 10-inch in the color what color did I get? In color SH30. And again, this is the boxing. Super cute, and it has a note about Mary Kay on the back as well. So adorable. I love it. Mary Kay always inspired me to buy stuff. She be finding some cute bargains. But let's get into it. Nothing really else in the box but the wig and a netted wig cap. I don't know, but have I ever used the netted one? I don't really use the netted wig cap. I use the regular wig cap. This net thing off me. And stuffing. It has 2 combs, one at each temple, and adjustable strap in the back, and a comb in the back. Alright, right back, we'll try it on. So I'm going to hook, my mic. I'm going to hook the adjustable straps into the eyelets right here. See if y'all can see that. Excuse my nails, I just took some nails off. It's very soft as described. This is what it's looking like. It has the circular closure. It has almost a Yaki feel and look to it. It's not too shiny, very natural looking. The peekaboo is like a reddish brown color coming off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. You know, I love my throw on and go wigs. There's nothing like it. You can be cute in 2 seconds flat. Okay, all right, I'm gonna take this off. Oh, I got this off Amazon too, so if y'all don't feel like doing your hair, throw this on and go out the door. Put some earrings on. You'll be fine. Some of y'all might have seen me at the mall. All right, so let's get this on. Yeah. It's so cute. talk about a throw on and go. I ain't even got to brush it. Let me see if I can pull it back out of my eyeballs. Oh my goodness. Yep. It is holding true to the throw on and go style that we all love and appreciate. Fully styled, fully curled, bangs on fleek, everything. I didn't even put a brush to it. Perfect. So that's the video, y'all. It's not much to say on this one. Under $20. Go get it. It's already perfect. I don't even have to, usually on these kind of bobs that are synthetic, I have to go ahead and cut this part off, but they already did it. It's already done. You got your peekaboo going. It's got plenty of movement. Super cute. I love it. What you think, honey? My husband loves it too. It's kind of nice working right beside him. This is so cute. Okay, go get it. That's all I gotta say. Go get it. All right, so that's the video. It's listed below along with these pre-tied head wraps. I was roaming on Amazon as usual and found a bunch of them. I'll link them below. Go get it. Nothing else to say. If you ain't got it, go get it. See y'all later. This has been your girl Vanzeig, aka Vanessa. I'll see y'all next time. Vanessa out. Peace.